Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be installing my new wheel on the car. Install's pretty straightforward. Shouldn't take more than 20-30 minutes. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, before we do anything, you gotta go to the trunk and unplug the battery. So you have to take out this clip right here, and it's gonna be a 10mm on the black terminal. Alright, battery's out, or battery's unplugged. Now we can go inside. Alright, we're back inside the car. Now to take out the airbag, you gotta take 2 screwdrivers and insert them. Where is it? If I could find it. Right there. There's one of the holes right here. And then on the other side, where is it? It's right there. Alright, so what you gotta do is take 1 screwdriver in each side and try to pop out the springs that are holding the wheel in. And so yeah, let me try to do that right now. Alright, I was able to get the airbag loose. Now I just gotta there's 2 connectors in the back. Let me see if I can get a good shot. Yeah, so you gotta undo these 2 connectors. Probably just the flathead, and yeah, it should be pretty easy. Alright, I was able to get them out. So the trick is to just get a flathead and pop it in kind of right there and pry this thing open right there, and both of them should just pop off. Okay, next we gotta undo these connectors at the top, and then we can undo the steering nut. Alright, I was able to get both clips out. With this one, you just push down on the top part there and it pops out. With this one was kind of annoying. I had to get a screwdriver, or I had to get a flathead in between the connector and the top, like yeah, like about right there, and pry the top part up a little bit, and then it was able to come out. Okay, now I think, yeah, now we're ready to undo this. Alright, now the normal socket on here is a 16, and that's the only one that I ended up not having. So I found a 5/8 that will also fit. So yeah, let's get it off. Alright, I finally got the bolt off. I had to have some help because because the wheel turns too while you're unscrewing it, and so I had to have somebody hold it down while I was unscrewing it. But it came off, and should be able to slide right off. And one thing I want to make note of is line up that groove with the flatter part where there's no of those gears, I guess, or whatever I would call them. Make sure those line up when you're putting the wheel back on. Alright, so now I need to take off my old paddles since they're LCI, and the pre-LCI ones won't work with the LCI car. So I have to take them off, and that is gonna be that bolt, and it's gonna be a T25. Okay, so I did have to end up taking off the trim, but it's just 3 Torx bolts at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock position from the back, and then it just kind of pops up, and then I have to get these connectors out, and then I'll plug them into the new one. Alright, I got everything put on the new wheel. Got the my LCI paddles on the new wheel. Connected it all up, screwed everything in, and yeah, let's get this bad boy in there. All right, finally got it on. Man, this looks good already. All right, let's finish it up. All right, so it's in. I'm not sure if I want to keep this trim on. There's a little bit of like, it's like kind of two different colors and doesn't look the greatest in my opinion. So I might put back the my old M Sport trim on, or maybe I'll get another one. But for now, I'll just leave it. Yeah, let's plug in the battery. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm gonna take it for a spin. All right, guys. Seems to be working. Feels great. Awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.